Hello everyone, Taylor here from Consumer Buddy, and welcome to my review today of NordVPN. So Nord is often listed as the best VPN for categories such as torrenting, customer service, or just being the best overall. However, it's not always going to be the ideal choice for everyone. So today, I want to not only talk about the strengths of Nord, including why it's so popular, but also share some reasons or situations where a different VPN might be better suited for your situation. And just a reminder, if you do decide to get NordVPN, be sure and check the links in the description to help you get the best possible deal, as I'll include any available coupons or discount codes in the description as well. So beginning with the usability, you can connect up to 6 devices simultaneously, and apps are available for all major devices such as Windows, Android, Mac, OS, iOS, and even Linux. However, for Linux, you'll need to use a repository package with installation instructions as opposed to an actual program with the GUI. Also, there are browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox offered as well. The interface for all the apps is clean and easy enough to use, though not quite as simplistic in appearance compared to some of the other VPNs out there. You'll see a map with a list of pins, which may appeal visually to some, whereas others might find they prefer to save the space and not have it at all. Because while the map interface can give it a nice look, it can feel just a little clunky at times to use. One nice feature though is that the mobile and desktop apps all share the same overall appearance and functionality, which is something you don't always get with other VPNs. As a result, this makes it very easy to use Nord across multiple devices. Also, when connecting to Nord, it will automatically select the best server for you if you like, which saves you the time of having to find that on your own. This is particularly useful for beginner VPN users, but also certainly a time saver for more advanced users as well. And you can always manually choose a different server if you like. So ultimately, this is a very user-friendly VPN, making it an ideal choice for beginners or even newbies to VPNs as well. And then performance-wise, Nord has over 5,500 servers in 59 countries, and you get unlimited bandwidth. And while other VPNs may boast about having higher numbers of servers, very few can boast about having higher numbers of dedicated servers, of which Nord has about 5,000. And this is an important note, because once a VPN provider achieves adequate coverage, server quality becomes more significant and matters more than server quantity. And that's because dedicated servers are more reliable than virtual servers. Now, most Nord servers are located in Europe and North America, which is pretty standard as far as VPNs go. And then streaming-wise, Nord works great at unblocking all the major streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, or other media providers. So if you happen to run into any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to their chat support, as they're easy to work with. And they can walk you through everything so that you have the best experience possible. Also, I did want to point out that unblocking Amazon Prime was the most difficult for finding a working server. So I did end up using the live chat support myself to save me the time of trying to find the server that worked. So while Amazon Prime took a little more effort to find a working server, the experience of unblocking Netflix has been the best out of any VPN I've used so far. US servers and international servers all work great, so if unblocking Netflix is a primary motivation for getting a VPN, I'd highly recommend Nord in this regard. And then speed-wise, Nord has typically fared well in this department, usually ranking near the top. But lately, as I've been doing some recent tests again, I'm finding it is at the top. While ExpressVPN used to have faster speeds, now I'm finding Nord is the one outperforming Express. So while I can't say for sure whether this trend will continue or whether Express will rise to the top again, I can confidently say that Nord is a very fast VPN, which makes it perfect for streaming 4K content, gaming, and torrenting as well. And then regarding torrenting, while some VPN providers discourage it, NordVPN does allow it, but it's restricted to certain P2P or file sharing servers. However, there are now over 4,500 of those optimized servers located all over the world, so I've never had a problem with any server being overloaded. In addition, Nord gives you the option of taking things a step further by combining 2 servers into one connection for double the protection. So ultimately, torrenting is fast, easy, you get unlimited bandwidth, you have the highest level of protection, and you don't have to worry about any throttling. And so overall, Nord is easily one of the best VPNs for heavy torrenting. And then regarding security, Nord does provide Onion over VPN servers for maximum online security and privacy. You can also use double VPN servers if you like, which basically means you'll be sending your internet traffic through 2 different VPN servers instead of just one, which gives you double the encryption. Nord also provides obfuscated servers, which are specifically designed to work in heavily restricted environments when the standard way of connecting fails. So, for example, in China or in the Middle East countries where the cyber environment is extremely complicated and VPNs are blocked from even being used, these servers are typically designed to overcome any type of internet censorship or restrictions, which gives the possibility for those traveling or living in heavily restricted regions to reclaim their freedom of choice when it comes to using the internet. Then regarding privacy, Nord is based in Panama, which is an especially great place for a VPN provider, and they also provide some additional transparency through an independent audit, which confirmed their no logs policy. And then regarding social responsibility, Nord works with charities and those in need to provide them with free or discounted VPNs. This would include groups such as Amnesty International, The Guardian, Angel Foundation, and the Linux Professional Institute. And on top of that, citizens of countries that have extreme internet censorship, or those who might be government surveillance targets, or even those whose privacy may be in danger, can contact Nord to get a free emergency VPN. It's very admirable of Nord to do this, and I certainly hope to see more VPNs following Nord's example and finding other helpful ways of giving back as well. And then regarding their customer support, Nord has both 24/7 live chat and email support. Their live chat support is among the best. They're helpful and friendly to chat with and able to help with everything from simple to technical questions. Pricing-wise, there are 3 options to choose from. There's a month-to-month plan or 1- and 2-year plans, which gives you larger discounts the longer your plan is. The 2-year plan is easily the best value, so I definitely recommend that one if it fits your budget to do so. Also, just a reminder that using the link in the description will get you an additional free month that you won't find just going to their website, so feel free to take advantage of that if you like. But otherwise, what makes Nord stand out is that it does everything really well, and it doesn't have any shortcomings. So you can be confident that whatever you need a VPN for, Nord will have your back. You'll be safe, secure, have reliable, stable connections, and great speeds whether you're streaming, gaming, or torrenting. And on top of that, you have additional security and privacy options like double VPN or obfuscated servers to use should you ever need them. Their customer service is among the best in the industry, and their apps are easy to use even if you're new to VPNs. Basically, you're getting the best all-around performance in one VPN. So again, unless you're affected by one of the reasons I mentioned above, I think you'd be very happy using Nord, so ultimately, it's a VPN I'd highly recommend. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And remember to check out the description below, as I'll include links to any of the best deals or discounts on NordVPN that aren't normally available on their website. So feel free to take advantage of that if you like. Also, if you have any comments or questions, please put those down below in the comments section, as I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.